Hi friends, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are having a great day. I just wanted to share really quickly that I thought I'd do a little something special for her teacher. Went over to Goodwill, got a basket, cost me $3. I went over to the Dollar Tree and found some really cute goodies, and I put together a thank you basket for the teacher. She emailed me earlier today. She absolutely loved it. And I think this is a great idea for someone who may be sick, for a loved one, for a parent, for a friend, to just spruce up literally any basket with cute little touches. All you have to do is put some love and thought into it, and it can be a great gift.
Right, friends, so let me show y'all how I got started. Just went to Goodwill, picked up this plain brown basket, which I saw a lot of potential in, paid $3.49 for it. These items are from the dollar store, Dollar Tree to be exact. I got a garland, just snacks, goodies, candies, this special ribbon, and check this out, best teacher ever, and a golden apple. Forget it, I thought they were super cute accessories. Also got a gift card and a tumbler. So to get started on decorating, you're going to need a hot glue gun, which we're going to use to attach that pretty garland we got, remember? Here's the basket, and we're going to take the end of the garland and we're going to attach it to the side of the handle. That way we can assure that it's going to get kind of hidden. You won't know where it starts and where it ends. So I went ahead and did that, glued it, and then got the opposite ends, and I pre-measured this before I started recording, and I found that 2 loops around each handle was a perfect fit for the outside rim of this basket. So I go ahead and just place it carefully all around the basket and secure with hot glue to hold in place. Here you see me wrapping it around on the second handle, ensuring that it's a good length, and then again repeating with the hot glue as necessary. For the very end, when I attach the end of the garland to the basket handle, I will be tucking it in just like I did in the beginning and securing it with hot glue as well. Go ahead and give it kind of like a double take, make sure all the leaves and the garland is secure in place, and this is a finished product. Next, we're going to move on to that nice ribbon we were talking about. We're going to start off by unrolling it, and when you get to the length that you want, we are going to make sure we cut it in a diagonal. The reason why we do this is because it's going to help us secure and tie our bow onto the basket when we are finished with it. So we start by folding in the ribbon onto itself in a big loop back and forth, get the ends, twist, and then remember those diagonal ends we cut? We're going to use those to kind of make a knot secure. At the same time, we are going to fluff up the little round, I guess, what do we call them? The ribbon, the bow. We're going to use it and fluff it up, and then we're going to attach the ends, the little tails where we knotted the bow. We're going to make another little knot to our basket to secure it, secure the bow on there, and it's going to look great. Going to go ahead and knot it. Always remember, refluff, and if you need extra security, go ahead and hot glue the ribbon as well onto the basket. So here I'm just doing finishing touches, and this is the final product. Now we're going to move on to the nice and good part, which is the stuffing. I did have some extra tissue paper lying around that I thought would be really cool to add onto my basket. So I get one sheet, just fold it into a smaller rectangle or square to make sure that the bottom of my basket is lined. After that, I go ahead and get one tissue paper and cut it in half, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap up. Remember that sign I got? Said world's best teacher? I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up so that when, you know, the person this basket is meant for opens it, they have a nice little surprise and something to unwrap. So that gets wrapped up along with the golden apple. Again, I got these at the Dollar Tree. All of the candies and stuff at the Dollar Tree, super inexpensive, and I think a really cute touch. So once that goes in there, I go ahead and start to add the rest of the tissue paper onto the Starbucks cup. Y'all remember I wanted a surpriser with a tumbler too? I just thought it would be a nice little addition and a pop of color. And I move on to adding all of the candies and the goodies. Now, don't forget, okay? One of the most important things as well that could be kept forever is that little note. Remember, from the Dollar Tree, I also purchased a thank you card. Just go ahead and make sure you write something sentimental, whether it's for your teacher, your parent, your friend, whoever you want. Right there, make sure you address it to the appropriate person and put it in your basket. Now, I did find that my basket seemed a little bit, you know, skinny, so I decided to add just random stuff that I know the teacher would appreciate because they have a microwave at school. I added some microwave popcorn and pita chips.
And that's it, friends. I hope that this inspired you to do something kind for someone. Really inexpensive. It's just mostly the thought that counts, but also not making it look so bland and sprucing it up with a little bit of things here and there. And we'll see y'all in the next video.